Welcome to Rohini Flange Industries Private Limited. Established in 1980, Rohini Flange Industries is a trusted manufacturer of industrial flanges and precision machined components based in Delhi, India. With decades of industry experience, we specialize in producing high-quality flanges designed for oil and gas, water pipeline systems, infrastructure, and heavy engineering industries. Our manufacturing process focuses on precision machining, durable materials, and strict quality standards, ensuring reliable performance for every project. At Rohini Flange Industries, we are committed to delivering accuracy, consistency, and timely supply to meet the demands of modern industrial applications. If you are looking for a reliable partner for industrial flange manufacturing, we are here to support your requirements. Contact us, Rohini Flange Industries, Private Limited M188, Sector 3, Bhawana Industrial Area, Delhi 110039. India phone plus 919891285491 plus 919953573483. Email rohiniflange@gmail.com. Website www.rohiniflange.in. Rohini Flange Industries. Precision you can trust.